In previous session, we have seen arc command. In this session, we are going to see rectangle and polyline command. So for getting started, click here on Start Drawing. This window will be shown. From here, we can draw a rectangle as well as polygon. See here, this is our rectangle option. From this, we can create a rectangular polyline. It creates a rectangular polyline from the specified the rectangular parameters. That is what we have to specify. We have to specify length, width, rotation, or we can give also types of corner to that rectangle. So now click on this rectangular option. So select start point and then select end point. This will be our simple rectangle. I will repeat this command: start point and then upper end corner. This will be our rectangle. We can give dimensions from here: linear dimensions, start point, end point, and here interdimension. Repeat this command: start point, end point, and drag outside. So dimension are not visible, so type D for dimension style, enter, and this will be our dimension style manager. Click on modify. From modify, we can change the, select here ISO standard, then dimension must be above the line, so we'll see changes here. Then feet, in feet we can draw dimension from the, or end to end we can give dimension end to end. This will be used for uh, circular dimensions. Now primary units, from feet give your scale. Suppose I am going to give value, here is 1 by default, I am going to give 3. Then primary units, now this will be set as, suppose I will set it as 0.00. Press OK and close. So the dimension will be visible and the dimension will be above dimension line. Repeat rectangular command, specify start point. Now I can draw by using dimensions also. So click on dimensions. So I am going to specify length. So I am going to give length as a 15, enter, and then I am going to specify width as a 10, enter. Now I can reverse the direction also. Suppose I will click in above direction, positive direction. So this will be our rectangle of length 15. So I am going to give dimension 15 and width will be 10 unit. So this will be our rectangle. Now we can draw also by using, suppose first I will delete this rectangle, press delete. Now I am going to draw rectangle by using area and thickness or length. Specify first point and then I am going to choose area. Suppose I am going to give area as a 150, enter, and now I am going, here are two options, we can give length or width. I am going to give length as a 16, enter, choose length, so give value as a 16. So this will be our rectangle with area of 150 and length will be 16. So from utilities we can measure all the parameters. Suppose I want area of this much total area. I will specify 4 corners. Press on utilities, then measure and select area. So we have given 150 area. We are going to see whether the area given area is correct or not. Specify first point, second point, third point, and fourth point. Enter. So the area is 150 with perimeter of 50.75, and we can see distance also. This distance to this point distance, it will be 16. Escape. So in this way rectangle column can be drawn. Now we are going to see polygon command. For this, I am going to erase those two objects. Press delete, and now here by using polygon we can create a equilateral enclosed or closed polyline. So we can specify the different parameters of polygon, including number of side. We have to specify center, number of side, or by edge we can also draw polygon. There are two methods of drawing polygon, that is inscribed method and circumscribed method. We will see in detail. Now choose polygon and enter the number of sides. So I will going to enter 6. Enter. Then specify center point of the polygon, and we will going to use inscribed circle method. So in inscribed circle method, the polygon is drawn inside the circle of specified radius. Suppose I am going to give radius as a 5. Enter. So this will be polygon by using inscribed circle, and here I will draw polygon by using circumscribed circle. So specify first point. First we have to specify number of sides, so side will be 6. Enter. And then I have to specify the center point, and I am going to give circumscribe about the circumscribed circle. So specify radius will be 5. Enter. So in this way this will be our inscribed polygon. Choose circle command. Suppose I will draw circle around this polygon. So these dimensions will be, see here, I will give radial dimension. So this dimension will be, radius of that circle will be 5, and from center to this point of the polygon the distance will be 5 unit. And here I am going to draw circle inside the polygon, and I am going to give dimension here. So the distance from center to one edge or midpoint of the edge will be 5 in case of circumscribed circle, because this is the circle of radius 5 and also this is the circle of radius 5. In first method the polygon will be drawn inside the circle of radius 5, and in second method circumscribed circle the polygon will be drawn outside the radius 5. That is, this corner to this corner distance will be 10, and in this midpoint and this midpoint, not this is not corner, this is midpoint and midpoint, this distance between two edges will be 10, and here distance between this corner and this corner, those two corners will be 10. So here we can give angular dimension also or align dimension. See here, from this point to this point this value will come as a 10, and from here we can also give from this one edge to another edge, the distance will be 10. In this method we can draw two polygons by using inscribed circle method and circumscribed circle method. Now I am going to draw polygon by using edge method. So click here on polygon, and enter number of sides. So I will enter 5, enter, and click on edge here. So what we have to do, we have to first specify the start point, and we have already on the ortho mode, on here ortho mode. We have not previously on the ortho mode, so I have on the ortho mode. Now we have to, we have given direction, then we have to specify the length of edge. Now I am going to give length will be 4, enter. So this will be our polygon by using edge method. See here, all the sides will be of 5 4 units I have given. So I have to use, I will off the ortho mode. This will be 4. Then all the dimensions or all the sides will be of 4 unit. Now I am going to draw by edge method triangle. Number of side will be 3. Press enter, and I am going to draw by using edge method, and I have to specify starting point, and then I am going to give length as a 5, enter. So this will be our equilateral triangle of 5 edge, 5 unit edge. I can give dimension from here. This will be length of one edge, or each edge will be, length of each edge will be 5. Also we can draw square by using polygon command. So click here and enter number of sides as a 4, enter, and now I am going to give edge method. This will be my start point, and then I am going to give length as a 5, enter. So this will be my square by using polygon method, and I am going to give dimensions, linear dimensions. This will be my first point, and this will be my second point. This will be 5, enter. I will repeat this command by pressing enter, start point and end point. This will be 5. In this way we have drawn, first we have drawn a rectangle, then we have drawn polygon by using different methods. Inscribed circle method, this is inscribed circle method, this is circumscribed circle method, and we have drawn by using edge method, also polygon by using edge method. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for AutoCAD complete session series. I will regularly going to update all the videos on this playlist. If you liked my videos, then please subscribe to my channel TechnoSouls Creation. Thank you.